So how do you make your own polyurethane, squishy, softy, vibration absorber pad, round pad, technically speaking, from just a normal polyurethane sausage? So the first rule is just like cut the end, one of the ends of the polyurethane sausage, and leave the sausage exposed to air in an open environment. What happens is the sausage dries, or what you can do is you can go to hardware stores or someone who sells expired hardware goods. What I've done is just like I bought these ones for a project which didn't happen, and they were stored in a hot shed, and after a couple of years they dried. So do you trash them? No, you don't trash them, because they are absolutely gold for late beds or anything. You can just technically cut them in sizes. This is from a different one, and you can actually put them underneath the tractor seats. You can put them underneath the areas where all you need to do is just like put a hole, and then if the bolt is going to go through, it will just technically act as a shim and vibration absorbing shim, or you can just technically put it underneath the machinery or anything, to which will vibrate to absorb all that shock. And not only that, but this material is really durable once it's dried really well, and also in the same time soft as well. So if you have any dried sausages, dried polyurethane sausages, do not trash them, because they are bad for the environment. Reuse them, repurpose them, or give them to someone, and that someone hopefully can turn them for their farm machinery, or turn them into use for their farm machinery, for their excavators or other planned projects. And this thing, believe it or not, this thing made a huge difference. I did cut maybe 2-inch chunks, like this big, roughly 50 millimeters chunks, and placed them underneath heavy machinery that I'm operating to prevent all that shock from hitting my back, and it made a huge difference. I can guarantee you that you will, even the best of the best shock absorbers, even those seats with the suspension and stuff, this thing will beat them all by price and longevity as well. They have, I think, 5 years life, but it's better than a spring, which will lose its spring force and etc., as well as rusting out. These things, they are very durable. They have UV resistance, very high UV resistance, and if you have exterior ones, that's even better. I used, I don't know, this is interior, or I think this one is, this is both interior and exterior. Interior and exterior version. But this thing is really gold to reuse, and so the other thing you have to keep in mind is, do store them fully flat, like not fully flat, but just at least put two rods and lift them up. So what happens is, otherwise, if you do expose them to any kind of areas, you see that it dried at this end, so this end is flat. But it is not the end of the world. I have like 15 of these ones laying around, and they are really good for even just if you want to put them underneath some heavy bench or any other place, like even if you want like a furniture legs, glue them underneath the furniture or anything like that makes noise or vibration or anything, fridges and whatnot, it will do you good. So all the best.